Inflammation is a natural process that the body undergoes to fight disease and infection. While inflammation plays a crucial role in maintaining the health and well-being of the human body, chronic inflammation is associated with the development of metabolic diseases such as diabetes and also has links with an increased risk of developing cancer. Chronic inflammation is defined as slow, long-term inflammation that may last up to several months or years that may be caused by a variety of factors. Therefore, eating foods that lower inflammation in the body is strongly advisable for individuals who may be at risk of developing metabolic disease. Now, let's talk about some highly nutritious food that also has anti-inflammatory properties in the body. Aside from being an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, berries also contain many compounds that prevent inflammation in the body. In fact, berries contain an antioxidant compound called anthocyanin. Anthocyanins have been linked to anti-inflammatory effects, including being associated with a lower total blood cholesterol and anti-proliferative activities in different forms of cancer cells. Additionally, berries are one of the best sources of fiber and are extremely low in calories, which helps keep the body satiated and makes it significantly easier to remain in a caloric deficit to lose body fat. Fatty fish, such as wild salmon and sardines, is a food that is an excellent source of protein that is also packed with omega-3 fats, such as EPA and DHA. These omega-3 fatty acids are capable of lowering inflammation in the body, as the body metabolizes these fatty acids as compounds called resolvins and protectins, which have anti-inflammatory effects. Similar to berries, fatty fish help the body feel satiated due to its rich protein and fat content. Broccoli is a highly nutritious vegetable that belongs to the cruciferous family of vegetables. Research suggests that eating a higher quantity of cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, kale, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower is associated with a decreased risk of heart disease and cancer. Additionally, the consumption of broccoli is associated with eye health, immune system support, and bone health due to being rich in calcium as well as vitamins A and C. Broccoli's richness in fiber and minimal calories allows one to better manage their weight and also promotes digestive health. Tomatoes are an excellent source of vitamin C and potassium. Along with being packed with many essential nutrients and vitamins, tomatoes contain an important compound called lycopene. Lycopene is an antioxidant which carries many anti-inflammatory properties. In fact, lycopene has been shown to reduce several pro-inflammatory compounds in the body that may be linked with various forms of cancer, such as prostate, lung, colorectal, and ovarian cancers. This effect is more prominent when lycopene is consumed with fat, as lycopene is a carotenoid, which are compounds that tend to be better absorbed by the body when consumed alongside fat. Therefore, some diced tomatoes cooked in olive oil may be a healthy and nutritious meal that amplifies the effect of lycopene in the body. Avocados are an excellent source of potassium, magnesium, fiber, and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. The fats that avocados provide support hormone production and regulate cholesterol levels. Additionally, one study involving U.S. adult participants found that the consumption of avocados was associated with a lower risk of developing cardiovascular disease. Avocados are packed with carotenoids and tocopherols, which are associated with a lower risk of cancer and heart disease as well. Implementing the aforementioned foods in your diet may not only prevent chronic inflammation, but also supports overall health and well-being due to being packed with other essential nutrients and minerals. Therefore, these foods are great to implement to achieve peak health and well-being from the standpoint of diet.